How to change Roblox profile picture. Easy and fast. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to change Roblox profile picture. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your roblox.com. Now, we can do this on our Roblox app and on our laptop or PC as well. So I have opened up my roblox.com and you can see I have this profile picture right here. We're going to open up our account and it'll take me right here. This is the current profile picture that I have and I want to change it. We can do this inside our avatar editor. So for that, what you need to do is you will just scroll down to currently wearing and it will show you the different, avatars and the clothes that you are wearing. So I'm just going to select the here that I have. And once we select an item, then you will get this option right here, which is the full avatar, and it opens up the avatar editor for us. So I'm going to click on this option. And here we have our avatar editor. I will be able to change my profile picture because if I change the hair, the, style, everything, then of course my profile picture will also be changed. So I'm going to change my hair to maybe this one right here, which is a straight bangs and it's a black. Okay, actually, let's get rid of this. Okay, so we have this one right here, or we have this one. So I'm going to go with the bangs right here. Similarly, you have different items that you have saved or the items in your inventory. You will be able to select them. So I'm going to actually trim my face or maybe select a woman's face and let's actually see how it looks. All right. And let's go with a round face. Okay, it's looking much better now. What I wanted, and now I have this avatar, let's say. And then we can also select the body type for our avatar. For example, you want to go for 30%, you want to go for 40%, so you can just select your body type as well. Once you're done with the editing right here, you have edited your avatar. What you can do is you can now click on save and get back, and your avatar will be saved. And you can see my profile picture has been changed, and you can of course select the body you want to show on your profile. I selected 30% and this is what my profile picture looks like now. This is how you can also go ahead and change your profile picture on Roblox. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.